The Earfun Air is an affordable pair of true wireless earbuds with surprisingly high quality features and sound. Falling in between the Earfun Free, a member of our best cheap wireless earbuds list, and the Earfun Air Pro in terms of price and features, the Earfun Air is a solid middle ground. The rich bass makes listening to music with the Earfun Air a pleasure. The buds are also waterproof and have noise cancelling mics to filter out any background noise during calls. Functionally, it's not perfect. The buds don't stay in the ear wall and the touch controls are difficult to use, but specs like the solid Bluetooth connection and long battery life make up for these flaws. The Earfun earbuds cost $49.99 and are available for purchase on Amazon or from Earfun itself. If you are on a budget, Amazon is your best bet. The earbuds cost $49 from this online retailer. The Earfun website sells these earbuds for $59 and with free shipping available for most countries. The Earfun Air comes in either black or white. The price of this product is comparable to alternatives like the Anker Soundcore Life P3 but very cheap by general wireless earbud standards. The design of the earphone flat for me. The package states 4 sizes of ear tips are found inside, but buying earbuds only came with one size of ear tips, a size that didn't work for me. Because of this, the earbuds would only stay in my ears if I held my head perfectly still. What's more, the reviews online indicate that even if you try all the different sizes ear tips, the earbuds still fall out of your ears easily. One plus for the Earfun Air in this category is the fact that the buds themselves are waterproof. The IPX7 certification along with what Earfun calls sweat shell technology means that they will not only shrug off sweat at the gym but can be submerged in water up to a depth of about 3 feet for up to 30 minutes. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy for your day-to-day top-notch commodities.